My name is Marina Abramović. I want to welcome you to Cistern. In 7 deaths, you hear the voice of Maria Callas singing 7 arias from 7 different operas. Maria Callas is present with her voice, and I am present with my body. In opera, as in life, death is stronger. Love becomes absolute. Pain becomes unbearable. It is not about dying once. It's about dying many, many times. You die many times in life, and yet you continue living. You give me your time, and I die for you 7 times.